quick garlic and herb salmon with risoni. To make this tasty salmon dinner, you'll need 2 packets of salmon with garlic and herb marinade and crumb, olive oil, risoni, tomato and chilli pesto, and baby rocket leaves. It'll be ready in 20 minutes. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Put the crumbs from the salmon packets in a bowl with olive oil and mix well. Place the salmon on a baking paper lined tray and top with the crumbs, pressing down gently. Pop in the oven and bake for 15 minutes or until the salmon is cooked through. Meanwhile, add the risoni to a saucepan of boiling water and cook following the packet directions until al dente. Reserve 1/3 cup of the cooking liquid and then drain. Return the risoni to the saucepan. Stir in the tomato and chilli pesto with the reserved cooking liquid. Season with salt and pepper. Add the rocket and gently combine. Serve the salmon with the risoni mixture and drizzle with more olive oil. This dish comes together just using 5 ingredients and is so delicious. For the full recipe, see the description below. For more 5-ingredient dinners, head to our What's for Dinner playlist here.